All right, YouTube. Well, Mr. Rick's just taking another little break. He's got to take the whole front end apart because he's got to adjust the steering for those rods. But here it is so far. I like the way the graphics kit looks, but it didn't apply well. But for a cheap kit, it's not bad. He's definitely already got bars all the way. We were talking about them this morning. Rentals. It's just stickers accurate. See, this rip just didn't lay down well at all. Alright, you gotta do some nets still. Still got to adjust that chain. It's just sitting there. Blue chain. Ooh, finger in the screen. There's the last few bits. We can reuse some of that. Alright, well, one of the fun things should be he didn't have any mounts. I gotta use those little bits of metal. Didn't have any of those mounts. And we got to, someone looks like someone crashed this a long time ago and broke the frame back in here, and then this pull bar has been welded to the subframe, as you can see. But we gotta move it back one loop in order to fit that one. Although it should fit. Shock is still pretty worn, although he's not expecting to ride this till there's snow on the ground, so hopefully if it does buck him off acting like a jumping jack, it won't be so bad. Not going to be doing tires, I don't think, this year, although I think I have some rear tires for him. Who knows? Well, that's it so far anyway. So I replace one line there. And the last thing, he's got to order an exhaust because, well, that end is like that. That end is pretty rough. Somewhere along in there, there's another rusted like that. Keep the tip and shit, but oh, another little finger screen again. Nice. Well, alright. That's what we're doing today. I'll probably put up another little short later. Oh, some extra links. Cover. I'll probably put up another short later when we get a few more of these bits on. Gotta get the front brakes on, I guess. I didn't even realize he didn't have them on. Yep. Alright. Well, we'll see y'all later.